In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AND in Microsoft Access Query. We'll build a tiny database from scratch, add a few records, and then create a query that returns only the rows that meet two conditions at the same time. This is a great way to filter your data precisely. Start by opening Microsoft Access. On the Start screen, choose Blank Database. Give your database a simple name, like TestDB, so you can find it later, and click Create. Access will open a new, empty database file where we can define our data and queries. Next, let's set up a table to hold our information. Go to the Create tab and select Table Design. In Design View, add 3 fields. Type name and set its data type to short text. Add age and set its data type to number. Then add city and set that data type to short text. Using short text for words and number for numeric values is important because it tells Access how to store and filter the data correctly. When you're done, save the table and name it Students. Access will confirm the name and you'll see the table listed on the left. Now switch to Datasheet view so we can enter a few sample rows. Type the following records. For name, age, and city, enter John to 20, Manila. Then Anna, 17, Manila, and finally Mark, 22, Cebu. Press Tab to move across a row and Enter to add a new one. These examples will make it easy to see how the AND condition works. With the data in place, let's create the query. Go back to the Create tab and choose Query Design. In the Show Table window, select the Students table, click Add, and then Close. You'll see the field list for students above the query grid. Drag the name, age, and city fields down into the grid if you'd like to see them in the results. In the criteria row under age, type 18. Under city, type Manila with quotation marks. In Access, putting both conditions on the same criteria row means they must both be true at the same time. That's the AND logic. Notice that text values need quotes, while numbers do not. Finally, click the Run button, the red exclamation point, to execute the query. Your results should include only records where age is 18 or older and city is exactly Manila. From our sample, that means John appears while Anna and Mark are filtered out. That's it. You've created a database, a table with correctly typed fields, added sample data, and built a query that uses AND to filter results precisely.